Hello students, welcome to this value-added course on data analysis. So in this video, we are going to learn the second part of the operators in Python. So already we have learned the first part, some of the operators in Python we have learned. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss the remaining part of the different operators in Python. So let me move to the presentation. So in this lecture, we are going to learn the three different operators: bitwise operator, membership operator, identity operator. So already in the last lecture, we have learned the arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator. So now we are going to learn bitwise operator, example, membership operator, example, identity operator, and its example. So now we are moving to the bitwise operator. So what are the different bitwise operators supported by Python language? So these are some of the bitwise operators supported by Python language. First, bitwise AND operator. This single ampersand symbol is called bitwise and this is bitwise OR. This cap symbol is called exclusive OR, and this symbol is called NOT symbol. So bitwise AND, bitwise OR, exclusive OR, and NOT symbol. And now let me move to the truth table for the operators. So now you just assume that x is equal to some 0, 0, 1, 1, y is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1. So when you apply the bitwise operator, it is bitwise AND operator. So bitwise AND operator acts if the both values, that is both right hand side and left hand side elements are 1, then only bitwise AND operator returns true value, that is 1. It returns 1. If both of the sides, both right and left hand sides are true, then only the answer is true. That is both sides, it is 1, then only the answer is 1. So now when you apply the bitwise AND operator, so x bitwise and y, so both are 0, so the answer is 0. 0, 1, so the answer is 0. 1, 0, answer is 0, because both of the side, if the answer is 1, then only it returns 1. So finally, this is both of the statements or both sides, the values are 1. So the answer is 1 when you apply bitwise AND operator. So the next operator is bitwise OR operator. So x bitwise OR y. So with respect to bitwise OR operator, if any one of the statements or any one of the sides the value is true, the answer is true. If any one of the sides the values are 1, the answer is 1. So now look at the example x and y. I am applying x. I am applying bitwise OR operator. So 0, 0, answer is 0. 0, 1, any one of the values are 1, so the answer is 1. 1, 0, any one of the values is 1, answer is 1. Both values are 1, answer is 1. So any one of the values is 1, it returns 1. That is the working logic of bitwise OR operator. And exclusive OR, XOR. So x exclusive OR y. So this operator returns if any one of the values is 1, then the answer is 1. So in bitwise OR, any one of the statement is 1, answer is 1. The main difference between exclusive OR and bitwise OR is, for exclusive OR, any one statement is supposed to be 1. Need not be both. If both of the values are 1, the answer is 0 in exclusive OR. Whereas in bitwise OR, any one of the statement is 1, the answer is 1. The next operator is membership operator. So membership operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object, in a certain object, the specified sequence is available or not. If you want to check, then you can use membership operator. There are two different operators: in, not in. In, not in. So there are two different operators: in, not in. These are the operators called membership operator. The meaning of in is it returns true value if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. If the specified sequence is available in the value, it returns true value, that is 1. If the specified value with respect to membership operator, the specified value is available in the sequence, then it returns true statement. If the specified value is not available, not presented in the given sequence, then it returns false value. So not in X. Not in X means returns true statement only the given value is not available in the specified sequence, then it returns true. If the mentioned value is available, then it returns false value. That is the difference between in and not in. If you put in keyword, if the specified sequence available, it returns true. Otherwise, return false. Not in means if the specified value not available, not presented in the given sequence, then it returns true. So that is the usage of membership operator. So let me go to some examples. So let us take X. It contains a string hello world. So print H in X. I have to check H is the character which is available in X or not. Yes, H is the character which is available in X. So in keyword is used that the given specified character H is available or not in the given variable X. It checks and returns true. It means H is available in X. The next statement, hello is not in X. So let us go to the string X is equal to hello word. Hello is not available in X. Hello is not in X. I have to check whether hello is available or not in X. What I am saying is hello is not available in X. But in the given statement X, hello is available. So it returns false. So what I am saying is hello is not available in X, but it is available. So it returns false. So the next operator we are going to learn is identity operator. So identity operators are used to compare the objects if the both objects are equal or not. But if they are actually the same object with the same memory locations, that is another important point. So the keywords is not. So is acts, it returns true if both variables are same object. Is not means returns true statement if both variables are not in the same object. So there is a difference between is and is not. So let me move to some examples. X1 equal to y. Let me move to one example. X1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to 5. I have to check x1 is not in y1. That is x1, y1 are not equal. Then the answer is false because x1 and y1 is same. X1 and y1 is same. So it returns false statement. Once again, x1 is y1. Yes, x1 is y1. Both are same objects. So it returns true. So that is the use of the operator, identity operator. So identity operator means is and is not. And corresponding examples also we have seen. So far we have learned three different operators: bitwise and identity operator, and last one is membership operator. So both part 1 and part 2 videos with respect to Python operators, we have learned starting from arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise, membership, and finally identity operators. So these are the operators supported in Python programming. Hope you are understood all the operators. So thank you for watching.